swimming. Come on! Woo! Let's get swimming! Let's go!
Okay. There's a boat out there?
Let's go! Awesome!
Look at that boat! How cool!
Awesome! Let's get ready! Awesome! Yoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Yoo-hoo!
Never forget your sunscreen on the boat.
And never forget this so you can swim fast.
Remember, kids, always wear your life jacket and stay next to an adult on the boat for your safety.
Woohoo!
How cute! Blow the dolphins a kiss. Go that way.
So sweet! Yummy! Wow! So cool!
We splashed, we laughed, we're ready to roll. Back to the boat, let's go, let's go. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share to see our next adventure.